Okay. So, Ossie,
Yes.
tell me your name.
Ossie.
Your car's name.
Daisy.
Daisy. And how was your workshop today?
It was wonderful.
Tell me about it.
I got informed on my car and how many different things there are as far as, I have to watch for tires and lights and things like that. And
But you got a shop,
yes.
right? So, did you do anything that you didn't know today? Anything that enlightened you about your car?
Anything like me that I didn't know about my car? Not really, no, but
Any good reminders?
very good reminders, reinforces what I know. And, if I didn't know, it would have been very valuable.
So, who would you recommend this workshop for?
I recommend this workshop for friends, family, and just about anybody I know.
So, customers at your shop,
Comes with my shop, most definitely.
so they can count on this kind of experience.
Yes.
Very cool.